Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will go through installation of open source SoapUI, one of the highly used API testing tool. SoapUI is one of the most popular and most trusted API testing tool, which is available as open source as well as paid or professional version. Using this tool, we can write complete API test automation framework for SOAP APIs or REST APIs. We can do functional test, performance, security, API mocking, and data-driven test, and it has got good test reporting capabilities as well. It is built entirely on the Java platform and uses Swing for the user interface. This means that SoapUI is cross-platform. You can run on Windows or Linux or any system with Java support. Because of its nice and fully functional UI and ease of writing test, it has got an easy learning curve. Even lots of online resources are available at your disposal. Though some of the critical or helpful features are available in the paid version, the open source version is no less behind and can be used to test lots of API scenarios. With the option of writing scripts in Groovy language, the scope of API test writing and executing is boundless. You can do all types of API related tests you can think of in the open source version itself. So let's go ahead and install SoapUI on our Windows machine.
For installation, we need to download the SoapUI exe from SoapUI site. We go to soapui.org and then we go to tools and SoapUI open source link in the site, or we can also go to the bottom button link open source. Clicking this link, you can directly go to the downloads page. Okay, since this tutorial is about the free SoapUI version, we will download the open source SoapUI. Here, once you click the button, it will prompt you to save the exe file, the latest version. As I have already downloaded it in my desktop, so I will use it to install in my PC. You can see the file version in here that I have already downloaded. Now right click here and run as administrator, and I will start the installation process. So it's extracting the exe. Selecting a location for installation. Here I will keep the defaults. So please follow the on-screen options that I select to go through the installation process. Finally, uncheck View the release notes. Select only Run SoapUI and click Finish to open the SoapUI Console. So this is the SoapUI Console after I finish the installation. I'll just walk you through some of the options in here before we finish this session. We don't need to do anything for this, and I will not do any request explorer right now. And so first thing you see here is the navigator pane. Here you see all the projects, and you'll see all the API endpoints and all here in this projects navigator pane in here, and then you'll see the properties. What I do is I create a workspace to start working with. New workspace in here, new workspace, new workspace. I just name it as so 5.5 workspace. Okay, and I'll try to save this in C drive, program files, smart peer. Just save it here in this location. Okay, now you see the workspace on which you will be working. Workspace is basically the XML file with the path in here. You see here, it's basically will save the settings for your all the projects, whatever you add in here. And so whenever you open up SoapUI, this workspace will come as default. You can also create multiple workspaces from here by adding another workspace, or rename these, or switch workspace if you have multiple projects and you want to keep it separately out there.
So thank you. That's a brief intro on SoapUI, and we have seen how to install SoapUI open source in Windows machine. Happy learning to you.